What's up, everyone? Hey, this is Craig, investor, wholesaler out of Houston, Texas market. I had been working with Patronecs for the past year. They developed my CRM and edited certain workflows to create drip sequences, communications, all types of organization, and I highly recommend them. I've been working with Sean now since 2023, and he's shed some light on how I can have a self-sustaining CRM that'll kind of act as an employee to me, and trigger certain motions to talk to leads, and do stuff, so I don't need to be in the business as much. So that helped out a lot. It's saved a lot of free time, freed up my schedule. That way I can go on to bigger and better things. But anyways, I highly recommend working with Sean and his team. They're very well knowledged in this space, and I definitely think they're an asset to your business. All right, peace.
To avail our services or to discuss your next project, contact us on the following details.